Hey, it's me again. Here with my good friend Cliff. We're in Beachville. Apparently, some time ago, real long time ago, there was remains of a derailment here. Also, there's a trail here. We've looked it up through our usual channels. So while we're here, we're gonna look at some stuff and go for a walk. Hi, Luna. Okay, Luna's just happy to be out and about, so let's have a look. Cliff, you okay? Okay, so there's some graffiti here. There is some graffiti here behind that tree. I'm not touching it because I don't want to. Some more right in here. Some of it is pretty good, some of it is not bad. We can climb this one up later. You just wanted to go down on the trail, right? Okay. Yeah, as per our friend, we're just gonna go down the trail, just have a quick looks it up. As soon as he's ready, and we'll go down and see where the trail takes us. Here we are, Oxford County Trails. Don't know where the trail will take us, but let's have a look. Could that be a body bag there?
Could be.
Okay.
Almost looks like a small body could bent out of shape.
Oh, well, everyone was always bent out of shape. All right, so going in this tunnel thing, it's very echoey. Also creepy.
Okay.
I think she's a bit skittish. Come on, girl. Good girl.
There's a toad. Come on.
She found a toe?
A toad.
Oh, I thought you said toe. You know what? You hear that?
I do.
I could see why a toad would find that interesting. Now the question is, are we gonna have train graffiti? Well, as you can see, that was a fast-moving train. There was some interesting pieces of graffiti.
There was?
There was. I gotta slow the video down and find the best parts, but that's gonna be tricky. Now, did they say any spot where the train derailment happened?
I didn't see that. It'd be probably pretty close to the tracks.
Okay, so as you can see, we are where that black thing is. I think we have to go that way to find the two eyes. Other than that, I don't think of anything else. Here, when you're doing these woods things, keep a good watch of ticks.
Stay away from the tall grass.
So I think it's called two eyes, I think, according to it.
Yeah.
All right. I gotta say, it's the first time I've been on this path.
Come on, Luna.
Come on, girl.
I turned around and one of those little girls was petting my dog.
Were you okay with that?
It would have been nice if she asked first.
Oh,
It's kind of disrespectful.
Well-
Dog without asking.
well, it's courtesy to ask. Also, you don't know if Luna's going to be receptive.
Yeah. Could have bit the chick girl's hand off.
That's exactly why. Okay, we seem to be approaching a plaque here. And it is so insufferably hot, I can feel it. Oh, okay. Gives us an idea of the wildlife we have here, as far as birds this summer. Okay, summer birds. American robin, eastern kingbird, goldfinch, rose redbreast, grosbeak, house wren, cedar waxwing, warbler, catbird, oriole, sparrow, Canada goose, swallow, blue heron. Okay, so there's an abundance of wildlife. All right, so yeah, look from the north side of the CN tracks, eye structure, but never produced. Two eye structure, okay. Yeah, there is, we are getting pretty close according to that plaque. So that's kind of where it is. It's the two eye structure. Any luck?
No, I just wanted to stay in the shade for a bit.
I don't blame you. I'm going over here. Unless this is the structure, because I see a foundation there. And I hear another train. I think it's possible it might be via. Oh, okay. See some mounds here, so it looks like some work's been done.
Yeah.
Holy. All right, so turn back. Too late, we're already here. Some structures. I have a feeling we might be getting close, I hope.
I think so.
Well, there's a rough path here. Oh, Cliff, I see it.
Do you?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, just up there.
Yeah. At least I think this is the two eyes they were talking about. Oh, dude, this is spectacular. The heat absolutely sucks, but we found it. I'm gonna zoom out just because I want to, but gonna have a quick look around just to see what we can find. But no, this is pretty cool. I'm turning on that path was kind of just a stroke of luck there, Cliff. Oh, Cliff, we could have even made it down here as well. Because there's an opening right here on the same side as the path. This is my voice. There are many like it, but this one is mine. Yeah, this is pretty cool. Kind of glad we got to check this out. Yeah, so this is the two-eye structure that was just mentioned on the plaque there. This is just field. But no, this is pretty decent. I want to see if we can actually go in. It looked like somebody was camping out here. I could see why. This is a pretty good spot for a camp out.
Yeah.
As long as you prep it right, you're away from everyone of sorts. What else? Yeah, it's hard to tell what's kind of graffiti's here. Yeah, so yeah, this was definitely worth the drive coming down. Did Luna find anything good?
No, it smells like pee in there.
Are you surprised?
No.
Would you expect anything less? But no, this is a great find. Now, okay, gotta move this a bit. I got in here just to check it out a bit. Not going to stay in here very long. It's just feel very claustrophobic being in here, so just kind of want to show it off to you just to see what's in. Hi, Luna. Hi, Cliff. Coming in here was quite difficult.
Yeah, I don't think I'm coming in there.
That's okay. Gives me a chance to look for some cool graffiti here. Yeah, and this is some of the 2-eye structure right in here. But this was definitely worth checking out, definitely worth the hike. Yeah, so that's kind of about it. I don't plan on climbing this because for a lot of things, one of them is I just don't want to, and we'll leave it at that. But yeah, this is kind of it right in here. Now it's time to crawl back through that opening. That was difficult to crawl out of that one. Crawling in is good, but wait, you're becoming an old dude like myself and my buddy Cliff. We're not as young and nimble as we used to be. What do you think, Cliff? Should I go in the second one?
That's up to you, Lewis. I'm gonna get down here and find a spot in the shade to sit in and give Luna some water.
Good call. I'll take a look. I'll make it a decision if I decide to go. If not, I'll join you. But yeah, oh fuck. But yeah, this is the spot right here. 2 eyes. Some graffiti here. Perfectly placed stump. Don't feel the need to climb it. Again, it's more of just not wanting to. But overall, this has been a very decent find. Ugh. And I will be honest with you, I'm not going to go in here. It's just the first one was too difficult. So yeah, that's kind of about it. I'm going to join Cliff for some water, as well as join Luna for some water. I'm going to come back in here, get some shots. But first I need to hydrate because it's warm. And also some shade would be nice. But yeah, that kind of concludes this portion. So we're gonna go off to our next spot. What do you think is gonna be the next point of interest?
Car with AC.
I love everything about that idea. Car with AC is probably the most glorious thing you can have right now. Anyways, signing off. Like, subscribe, comment. Also, if there's any spots you think we need to look for throughout our misadventures, by all means, say it in the comments.